it's me. Yeah, so a simple recap about my helicopter experience. Wow, that's so awesome. So yeah, it's really unforgettable experience there in the helicopter. Yeah, it's a very nice experience. It's so cold, but it's really worth it. And when you are up there, it's very what do you call that one? Para makaka-speechless ka talaga, guys, kasi iba talaga pag nandun ka in real. It's very what do you call that one? Nakakapag-goosebumps talaga. So such a good ride and such a good experience up there in the sky. So maybe one of the bucket list is, you know, what do you call that one? Parachute or skydive. So yeah, so at the moment it's not yet because I'm still ill, so that's why I can't really back to the laag again. So I just only at the house at the moment, guys, because of my sickness, because of this COVID series. So that's what happened. So drink plenty of water, guys, if you have been in COVID, and take vitamin C all the time, and so that your low immune system it won't go down. So yeah, always take care of your health all the time, because that's the most precious and so wealth in our body, to be healthy. And always keep rehydration. So dapat drink plenty of water all the time talaga. And talaga nakakatulong sa makapag para ma-rehydrate ka. Bawal ma-dehydrated, guys. So keep drinking of water. So yes, actually the sun is so good and so awesome as well. So yeah, helicopter experience is the best. Thank you for those who sponsored it for my birthday gift. So yeah, it's awesome. Thumbs up with that. So yeah, actually depende lang yun, guys. Sa Nottingham kasi yun eh. So basically all the view is from the Nottingham Palace. Everything it's there. It's overlooking for the Nottingham. So yeah, I enjoy it. The pilot is so cool, and the two as well. The one that I ride that day as well is very jolly and very kind as well. They are very accommodating and approachable. So yeah, absolutely stunning and spectacular experience, guys. I hope that you're gonna enjoy it as well to do the helicopter experience. So keep it up and kaya natin, laban lang tayo sa buhay, guys, okay? So huwag tayo magpaapi sa buhay, any struggles or any kahirapan sa life. So keep fighting, laban lang, and keep praying to God and have faith, okay, all the time. So yes, thank you so much, guys, and please guys, the one, it's my nephew. So here, so name is Summer. He's a very, but he's a jolly boy. So yes, guys, keep don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, Sky Lexus, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you. Bye.